Waking up earlier, even if you hate mornings. Do you hate mornings? You aren't alone. Mornings can seem bleak, but the truth is, if you can learn to get up early, this will benefit your life in more ways than one. If you are struggling to get up early, keep reading to find out how and why you should wake up earlier. Go to bed earlier. Chances are you don't hate mornings, but rather you hate the fact that you can't seem to get enough sleep at night. To find out if this is the case, it's time to switch your schedule around to start going to bed earlier. Although this may seem like a struggle, you will feel much better about mornings once you do. If you need tips to accomplish this, start by limiting your exposure to technology. Quit eating 3 to 4 hours before bed, and do something relaxing before it's time to sleep, like reading a book or taking a bath. You'll be surprised how easy it is to get to bed early when you try. Make mornings fun. Next, once you have switched around your schedule, take the time to make mornings fun. You can do this by creating a routine for yourself in the morning that you love. Do you have a favorite breakfast? Then make that in the morning. Do you love a certain song or playlist? Wake up to the sound of it playing. This way, mornings will no longer seem like a punishment, but something you can look forward to instead. Getting up early will improve your health. Need more reasons to start getting up early still? Well, it might be helpful to know that getting up early will improve your health in more ways than one. Not only will getting up early give you time to eat a healthy breakfast and engage in self-care before your busy day begins, but it will also help you to have time to relax and not have to rush in the morning. Plus, it will give you time to try things like meditation and journaling, which can improve mental health. So next time you decide to get up early and wonder why you are doing it, remind yourself that it is leading to a healthier lifestyle. When you hate mornings, getting up early can seem like the ultimate punishment. But if you start by going to bed earlier and having a fun morning routine, you may find those mornings aren't as bad as you thought. Follow this up by reminding yourself that getting up early is good for your health, and you will love your early morning wake-up times in no time at all.